Back to my channel. Hey guys, how's it going? I am super excited to be doing a video. This was unexpected, last minute. I knew this package was coming, but I didn't know it'd be here this late on this day, but it's here and I couldn't resist but to do it. So I have some news. Everybody grab their wine and stuff. Drink of choice. Take a sip and sit back and relax. Because of you guys and all the support that you have given me, I have been growing as a channel, or we have. I'd like to say we, because I wouldn't be doing this without you. But we have been growing as a channel, and with that comes more responsibility and more planner fun. So there's a company called SavvyBee that's reached out to me to review and try one of their planners. So I told them that, yes, I'll do it. I'm not getting paid to do it, but they did send this to me for free, and I told them it's going to have to be an honest review. Because I'm a business owner, this may be something that's really good for me, or if you are stuck in your planning system, this could very well be something good for you as well. Now, this is a first reaction. I don't know what I'm getting or anything. So this is how it comes. And I must say, the packaging, this is like a really good quality box. So yeah. It says I have a purple planner, which is exciting. I love purple, you know that. So it comes in this lovely box, and it is a bound book system. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. They have pink, black, and like this beautiful red color as well. And let's see what's in here. This box is a really good quality. Planner girls love a good box. So you can use this 10% off. Use this coupon code on any SavvyBee planner on Amazon. Be Savvy 10. That's great. That's cute. Give this card to someone you love and earn good karma. That's so cute. Oh, they've actually given me 3. So I guess 3 lucky people will be getting one of these cards. We'll see. They're all 10% off. So that's great. Let's see what this says. Aw, it's a little card. And honestly, it's a very sleek design. There's not much to it. It's very interesting. Let's see. We stand behind our products 100% and always do our best to guarantee satisfaction. If for any reason you are not satisfied with your product, or there's anything missing or incorrect from what you expected, please reach out to us. Simply go to your order page on Amazon. So I'm assuming you obviously can get this on Amazon, which is great. I'm a huge Amazon user. If you feel happy with your product, please appreciate our hard work and share your honest experience by leaving a product review. So that's so great. Very cute logo. The Way of the SavvyBee. Wow, I don't know if I can get through this tonight. Step 1, commit. So I guess this is a book. Yeah, affirmations, my vision. If you can see it, you can achieve it. If you can dream it, you can become it. I think a vision board, a monthly view, you've got a weekly review and a daily view. I'm real excited about this. And for the sake of giving this planner an absolute chance, I will be using this planner. So wish me luck, because I'm a ring-bound girl, but I am more than willing to give this a shot. And they give you like a thank you card here. That's so great. Let's take a look at our planner here. So like I mentioned, I got the purple planner, and there are 4 colors. A beautiful red, like every color is really nice. There's a lovely light pink, this beautiful purple, and a black. The strap is loose enough. I mean, it's tight, but it's loose enough to where you can bulk your planner. It's a fairly thick planner, as you see. I mean, if it has all those things in it, then it's going to be thick. So let's take this off. Designed in California, crafted in China, 100% recycled paper. Nice. This is great. SavvyBee planner. If you found this, please be kind and return to, and then you put your information. Alright, I can tell you right now that the paper is decent. It's a nice, decent, thick paper. This one's a lot smoother than the following pages, but still very nice. I will be doing a pen test in a later video. This is the unboxing, and then I will be using it and doing another video. A journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step. I follow him. My name is, and you write name, and it says, I'm ready to embark on a journey of self-mastery. I promise myself to follow up with this planner on a daily basis and watch the life I desire to manifest in front of my eyes. My most honest and ambitious goals, together with the commitments I am choosing to take upon myself to improve every aspect of my life, are now contained in this book. Okay, so this book automatically kind of puts you in a position to like really push through and commit. So I like that. With the signature, I promise myself to organize my life in a way that will fill me with a sense of accomplishment while passionately achieving my goals. I will maintain a positive mindset through adversity that I may encounter on the way. Although my core happiness and self-worth are not dependent on external factors, I understand that the key of accomplishments is continually growing and pushing my boundaries to go through life as the best version of myself. And then you're supposed to sign. So already this planner would be great for a person that has OCD or some sort of someone that really does commit to and takes things, how can I say this? Commits and take their decisions very, very seriously. And once they make their mind up, they will do it. It seems to be a great planner for that, because I've never had to sign off or want to sign off something like this for a planner. So I'm in for a ride, you guys. So the first section here, it says, and so it is, affirmations. So I have a list of affirmations in my very own planner, which surprisingly I did not bring back here to show you, that I do every day. So that would be going here. And then my vision, describe your vision for life. So already I can tell you this planner seems to be focused on the best version of yourself. Like, it helps you, honestly, it kind of puts off this feel of manifestation for me. So I'm guessing that that's kind of the way they're going here, because describe your vision for life. Having your vision of what you want in life in your mind and something you look at every day and go over, affirmations and things, really can manifest positive things in your life and bring that to you. So it seems that this planner is so far set up in this way. What are the required steps to get there? So how will I get there? 3 goals to achieve. Ooh, this planner is going to be great for my future plans. Vision board. So this may end up being a project binder for me, or planner for me. We'll see. So you can, it's blank, so you can put whatever you want. I love that. And then you have your monthly. Let's see how the monthly works. Okay, interesting. Let's see. Now, I've never seen a monthly like this before in my entire life. I don't understand what H2, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 is. I don't really understand what these numbers mean here. May I bring you in? Alright, so it is undated, so you can fill it out at your convenience. And it has month and focus, and y'all know I like to do a monthly focus. Has things to do, places to go, people to see on the side. Let me pull you back out before I get into like number thing. And then it has Monday through Sunday, and at the bottom you have a habit list, goals, and big wins and what I've learned. learned. Okay, so automatically I can tell you, I was a little confused by these right here, but this is actually pretty cool. I've never seen this in another planner before. If you look at the habit list here, it gives you, let me bring you in. It gives you 5 different habits you can write down. And within each day, you can track those habits because they have them here at the bottom. I have never seen another planner do that, just to be honest. Just to be honest. Listen, I'm not going to review something and lie about it. That I have never seen before. Have you? If you've seen that certain type of layout, let me know who it is. But that's very interesting, and I may use that in the future. I will be trying it. So let's see. You have, is this a 6-month planner? It looks like it's a 6-month planner. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so it is a 6-month planner. That's interesting. So I didn't know that. That's cool. So it is a 6-month. And it's a non-dated daily planner. That's what it says here. So this is what the weeklies look like. Interesting. So week and date. What is my main goal for the week? That's good because I do I have a goal for the week. Steps to achieve it. So it breaks it down. That's nice. Top goals and priorities for your week. I will escape my comfort zone by or learn something new. I love that because I've been really wanting to expand my mind and kind of push through anxiety and depression and things. So this is really good for that. Then my perfect week, career, body, relationships, and personal. Whoa. Wow. So to me, automatically, I can tell that this planner, if I follow through with this, which I plan on doing for you guys for this review, when it comes, I'm going to do the review a month down the line because I like to use a planner for a full month before I give it a proper review. But I can already tell this is going to be like touching on very sensitive subjects and kind of force you to look at things that force you to look at your weaknesses and really work on making them better. Things to avoid. Yeah. Gossip for career. And my perfect week, not being tired, having energy. And then you have notes with this. This is not a dot grid, and this is not a grid. It's like this little boop boop. I don't even know what to explain. I don't know how to explain that. Never seen that in a planner either. So this person that has created this planner has completely original ideas, it seems. So you have the week and the date. What is my main goal for the week? Steps to achieve it. So these are the weeks. Okay, so this isn't like your main planner. Okay. So this isn't like your plan your day planner type. It looks like your days can be, but to me, I feel like this can be really a goal-focused planner. This could be, like I said, a proper project planner, goal planner. That's interesting. I personally would never use this type of week. I do these things in my week, but then I'd have the week layout. But this doesn't have a week layout. It simply has just this each week. So let's skip through this since we talked about that. And this is my first time ever learning about this planner company and first time ever seeing it and trying it. So this is honestly my first impressions. So if I'm a little awkward, it's because I'm not sure how I'll take it in, because it is so different for me, but I'm excited to try it. So these are our dailies, and actually, let me point this out. I like the simplicity of this. Now, as you know, as a ring girl, I am not that simple, but when it comes to my needing to manifest positive things in my life, and I've talked about this in some of my lives and things, that you know, with mental health and wanting to move further in my future and things. I think this planner is going to be really good for me. It almost like fell in my lap. It just kind of happened at the right time. I'm getting emotional, sorry. All right, so in our daily, we have day and date. Good morning! I love that. That's cute. I'm grateful for, I'm excited about. I like that. Today I will focus on, and then you have your goals and priorities for today, tasks, and then a schedule. And then a daily quote. Life is about making an impact, not making an income. Wow. End of the day review. Ooh, I like that. I've completed out of blank daily habits. Oh, okay. Cool. Daily wins. See an intention for tomorrow. Okay, so you know what? I'm excited about starting this. I'm going to start it in February, on February 1st. And I will use it a full month before I give a proper review, but I will definitely keep you updated. So if you're interested in this, let me know, and I'll let you have the coupon code. So in the back, they do have a pocket, and that's a bunch of dailies right there. Let's see what else they got in here. Okay, so they do have, it does come with 3 beautiful ribbons. I love the colors of these. It's a beautiful blue, orange, and pink. And that's the rest of the dailies. This really is project-oriented, positive self. And you've got a great deal of note pages in the back. I love that too. This is great. So I could keep a collections here. Details on the projects I want to do, I bet. Oh, that's a good idea. That has quite a few note pages. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. There's like 40 note pages in the back. That's front and back. So, wow. Oh, and it does have a pin loop. That's great. Wow. I really want to thank SavvyBee for giving me this opportunity and reaching out to my kittens and I to give this a chance and try. It's almost like you knew that I needed a career focus, and definitely I would not suggest this right here and now, planner girls, especially those of you that are watching my station usually have like their ream planners and things like that. This would be a great addition to your planner. I really think that this is a goal getter. This truly is a goal getter, and I needed this. I truly needed this in my life. I didn't realize that this would just fall in my lap. I don't even know what to say. I'm honestly at loss for words right now, because I'm not saying I love this yet, because I haven't tried it. I can't honestly say that. I will say the look is really nice. I think that's cute. And I'm actually very excited to kind of force myself, for the sake of you guys and for this company, to do better for myself. Like, this is going to force you to look deep within yourself and focus on what you truly want and need. And I'm scared to death about that. Let me just be honest, I'm terrified. But I'm going to do it because I have this opportunity to do it. And I also want to give myself that opportunity. So I will fill you in on an update once I get it all filled out and ready. And with a pen test and all that, I will have another video. This is meant to be short. This is a first reaction unboxing for this beautiful company. I really do want to thank the lovely owner of this company to reach out. It's very unexpected, and this is honestly just now personally touched me when I opened this planner. I didn't realize how much I needed something like this, because a lot of my kittens could tell you, sir, of this company, that I've been talking about wanting to put a lot of focus on my future, and this seems to be the way to do it. So I'm going to give you a shot for a month, and I'll be back later with results. I love you guys. so incredibly much. Thanks for watching. Bye.